Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 21st on a Wednesday, and let's take a look around at the market. We are seeing a little bit of gap down in the SPY. Looks like we're going to test this 10-period moving average. So that's kind of what you need to keep your eye on. Can we hold that 10-period moving average on the daily there? If we do violate that and start picking up some momentum to the downside, we could be looking at a more of a deeper pullback, maybe to this 20-period moving average in this level right over here. You can see the support level over here on the SPY. But anyway, let's take a look at some opportunities. I am seeing some few nice setups. They're limited, but uh, start off with RIVN. Okay, I'm really liking. I've been mentioning this guys for a while, and I just want to bring it up here and give you a look at. Yesterday was about a 3.5 month closing high, so it closed near that 16 level, gapping up this morning, even though the market's gapping down. So keep an eye on that RIVN. Could be a nice long swing trade for you there. Um, let's see what else we got in that same space. Lithium, LTHM. Uh, very nice setup. Been moving higher. Now it's been consolidating, moving sideways, and it's got that 10-period moving average as support. Lifted off of it. So look for a break above that 5-day high there in that LTHM. And also REPL. Kind of interesting here. It looks like it can be kind of nasty and wicky, but it is bouncing off this 10-period moving average on the daily. So, maybe a move above the 24 level could get some momentum going on that REPL. But that's it for the day. I got a few other ones on there. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.